Hello everyone. I decided to come to Northeast because my friend who is the co-owner of the channel, she's posted in Guwahati because she is working in FMCG company. So we thought of planning a vacation post MBA. So we've just started our journey to Sikkim. We are at the Guwahati station waiting for our train, and then we'll be moving towards New Jalpaiguri station, from where our actual journey for Gangtok and North Sikkim is going to start. Stay tuned and wish us good luck for the journey.
Yay!
कबीरा रे फकीरा
इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए.
We had taken an overnight train from Guwahati to New Jalpaiguri. Our train was a bit early, so we reached the station at 5:30 am. From New Jalpaiguri to Gangtok is a 4-hour trip, for which we considered two options by taxi. We decided to go for a sharing taxi. By 9 am, we had reached the local taxi stand in Gangtok. Our travel agent arranged for the travel permit to North Sikkim in advance for us, so we did not have to take that load. I am leaving the contact for this travel group in the description. You can check it out. After reaching Gangtok local taxi stand, we went to Vajra taxi stand, where we met our travel group and started the trip to North Sikkim at around 11 am.
सुना तो जरा हमको है ये कहना लगते हैं क्या तुमको पता है ना मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों खुद की भी सुन ले कभी
कौन से कॉलेज से है मैडम?
NMIMS from there.
क्या MMIS?
Gusto majalay ma ramay log dali odali nisar chala उड़ के छोड़ा है जहान नीचे मैं तुम्हारे अब हूँ हवाले दूर दूर लोग बाग भी लोग वादियाँ कभी डाल डाल कभी बात बात मेरे साथ साथ फिर दर दर ये कभी सहरा कभी सावन बनू रावण जीव मर मर के कभी डाल डाल कभी बात बात कभी दिन है रात कभी दिन दिन है क्या सच है क्या माया है जग की कोई रीत न जाने तेरा केवल खा के तो दुनिया भुला के नाच
हो बंधु सखा तू
Gusto majalay ma ramay log dali odali
रंग रचने
हवा में होके मरंगे.
One thing that we loved about Sikkim is that they are extremely determined to end plastic pollution. Various areas in North Sikkim have actually declared themselves plastic free. So as we were entering Lachung, we were made to dispose of our single-use plastics. We found locals there who were selling reusable water bottles at a price as high as 100 or 150 rupees. If you find them, please feel free to negotiate. They'll come down to something 30 to 40 rupees. So do buy those water bottles.
And this is where we stayed for the first night. It's in Lachung. These are homestays. एक थोड़ा सा हिकअप आ गया, बट इससे पहले ये अरीबा फातिमा जी हैं और रेडी टू. हमारी कार ख़राब हो चुकी है. हमारी नहीं, हमारी बैक पीछे वाली कार है, इससे आगे वाली कार ख़राब हो चुकी है. सो हमें थोड़ा सा वेट करना पड़ रहा है. अदरवाइज़ वी वुड हैव स्टार्टेड बाय 6 am, बट इट्स 7:30. वी जस्ट होप कि ठीक हो जाए. और हम जाने वाले हैं इसके बाद यमथांग वैली.
We have finally started our journey to Yumthang Valley.
The roads are really bumpy, but in my honest opinion, the views that we get on our way are something that actually compensate for it. Predominantly, this valley is known for the flowers that cover the entire area. So if you're coming during spring season, you'll get to see a very different view of Yumthang Valley. But since we are here in December, so of course flowers are completely out of option. But still, it is not one of the locations that you want to miss if you are coming to North Sikkim. So we are heading towards Yumthang Valley, and let's see what the valley holds for us right now.
कबीरा रे फकीरा
इलाही मेरा जी आए आए इलाही मेरा जी आए आए
We are on our way to Zero Point. This is not included in the package, so your driver will ask you if you want to cover Zero Point, and you will have to pay 3,000 rupees for the taxi, so that would cost 300 rupees per person if there are 10 travelers.
Hello everyone. Hey everyone. We are at Zero Point in North Sikkim, that is Lachung, and it's freezing out here, and even our lips are freezing. It's completely chilling, and I have taken off one of my gloves to record this video, and trust me, my hand is absolutely frozen, and I think I cannot record this video any more than this.
दिलों में तुम अपनी बेताबियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो, नजर में ख्वाबों की बिजलियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो।
कबीरा रे फकीरा
इलाही मेरा जी आए आए इलाही मेरा जी आए आए कभी डाल डाल कभी बात बात मेरे साथ साथ फिर दर दर ये कभी सहरा कभी सावन बनू रावण जीव मर मर के कभी डाल डाल कभी बात बात कभी दिन है रात कभी दिन दिन है क्या सच है क्या माया है सच्ची कोई रीत न जाने तेरा केवल खाके तो दुनिया भुला के नाच
तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही
Hey, we are at the Guru Thamar Lake, and the weather is really good over here. We thought we'll go down and record some nice videos for you all. And as you can see, the lake is entirely frozen. My hands are freezing right now. Satija is there inside the car, if you can see her. That is Satija. She's not coming out of the car because it's so cold right now.
हवा के झोंकों के जैसे आजाद रहना सीखो, तुम एक दरिया के जैसे लहरों में बहना सीखो। हर एक लम्हे से तुम मिलो खोले अपनी बाहें, हर एक पल एक नया समा देखे ये निगाहें। जो अपनी आंखों में हैरानियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो।
जोगी नचले रंग रच दे सुना तो जरा हमको है ये कहना वक्त है क्या तुमको पता है ना मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों खुद की भी सुन ले कभी
जब यार करे guys, good morning from Gangtok. We are exploring the MG Road to have some breakfast. We checked out of the hotel at around 11 AM and we just had poha in the hotel.
We have decided to have a breakfast at this place called Baker's Cafe. We have checked the reviews on Google and it looked well. Let's try it out.
The cake and pastry looks quite good.
Yeah, I'm gonna have everything.
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने